Hello, Chef here. So I was about to have some pizza the other night and I reached for my bottle of crushed pepper or crushed red pepper flakes and it just wouldn't come out. So I gave it a few shakes and shake, nothing's coming out. So I got a trick for you here. We're going to use a metal pan. We're going to put that crushed pepper in the pan, spread it out a little bit. We're going to release some more flavor. Brown it just a little bit like this, toasting it up just a little. Oh, smells good. It's definitely getting a little bit brown. A little bit of flavors releasing. Now it's looking good. But to get it out of the shaker, which I like to use, okay, I got a food processor. I'm going to put my toasted chili flakes in there. It's much finer. It's got a nice aroma going on, and it's going to come out of my shaker a little bit better. Let's test it out. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for on a slice of pizza. Right there. Thanks for watching. Support your sponsor. You can score the crushed pepper flakes as well as the shaker right there. Have a great day. Keep cooking.
Oh yeah, look at that pizza. Perfect crust. Nice and thin. I like it like that.
Yeah, you gotta have that.